The researchers found that students who regularly use all of their flashcards did far better than those who only focus on the flashcards that they'd previously got wrong. The researchers couldn't be clearer when they concluded that repeated recall slowed forgetting. What this means is that retrieval practice and the use of flashcards isn't a one-time thing. A good way to ensure students don't just use a flashcard once or only study a small selection of the material is to use what's known as the Leitner System. To implement the Leitner System, students will need a box separated into 5 compartments labelled 1 to 5. All flashcards start in the first compartment. If a student answers the question correct, it moves to the second compartment. If they answer it incorrectly, it moves all the way back to the first compartment. In the next session, the cards in the second compartment will be reviewed. If a student answers the question on the flashcard correctly, it moves to the third compartment. If a student answers the question incorrectly, then that card should move all the way back again to the first compartment.
If you're looking for more resources like this that are
Useful,
research-based
and easy to use,
then go to the Teacher CPD Academy now.